Now this you come to, this is what you may see. These are the things I have done before, they are still here. But if you are new, just go to file, and click on new, or you use new document. You see this new document here, or you go to file, click on new. New comes up with something new. Now there's a lot of pages. It depends on what you want to design. If you want to design a letter size, an A4 paper size. A4 paper is a normal document they print on CVs and the rest. So if you want to use that size, you see all the selected all the pages. We have all of them: legal size, government tableau, letter, envelope size. You see a whole lot of size, depends on what you want to design. Normally I always leave it at A4 for a start. A4 can also serve as A5 later. So A5 is half of A4. A4 is normal size, normal CV paper size. Now and then A3 is bigger than A4. It's 2 times A4, 2 times the size of A4. So depends on the size you want to come up with. Now this is it. You pick any pages at any size you want, a letter or thereabout. So you come to this, you can also customize the size if you want. This is the width and dimension. You can customize it. If they give you a size to design with, you come here, you type it in millimeters. You can change it from millimeters to inches to any size you want, even if it's feet. If it's banner, you make sure in feet you want to design. You say you put it in feet and you say 2 by 3 feet, 4 by 5 feet or thereabout. So this is how we go about it. You select the size you want. For now, look at the orientation. You can make it landscape or you can make it portrait. This is resolution, the DPI. You can always make it 300 is max here. It's good to have a good resolution while designing. Now the layout, the paper type, like what I just said, these are things that are mentioned here: business card and the rest. This is A4. This is where you select them directly: A5, A4, A6 extension, business card, A4, whatever size. Letter size. Legal size is longer than A4, and a whole lot of them. Look at envelope. Depends on what you want to design. Everything you want to design is here: web banner, web page, whatever you want to design, be it a social media packages. You see them here. Look at iPhone. You want to design a whole lot for phone. See LinkedIn cover, LinkedIn banner. There's a whole lot you're going to see here. So you pick one. I normally leave it simple on A4 for learning sake. Now you come to OK. You can name your page. You can name this untitled one something. You can name it to what you want. I can call it lesson. You see it on the head of your page when designing lesson. Let me call it lesson. And then I select OK. OK brings us to the page. Now this is the A4 page we're talking about. This is the A4 size page. Look at the name here, lesson, that I selected earlier. So a lot can be done here. Like other videos will show you the functions of these tools and everything. This is like we said, this is the toolbar, this is the property bar, this is the toolbar. So the property bars are always here to help when you want to do a whole lot. Like